Hi, I'm Rudy Martin, editor of Emerging Market Winners for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. The U.S. Senate just voted this week to eliminate a tax credit and a tariff for ethanol production. The legislation, though, is not likely to become law, but it may make it difficult for ethanol supporters to extend the 45-cent a gallon tax break and the 54-cent a gallon tariff beyond their scheduled expiration at the end of the year. The vote was viewed as a win for less deficit spending, but as I've said in the past, it's inevitable that this ethanol trade barrier will eventually come down. You see, soon the U.S. will not have enough ethanol to meet its own demands. U.S. production of ethanol increased recently to 915,000 barrels per day, according to the new weekly EIA data. But inventories fell to 19.6 million barrels. And this growing gap is showing up in ethanol prices. Last week, they hit their highest level in about 3 years after cold, rainy weather and flooding cut corn plantings. The U.S. corn harvest is now expected to be 2% lower than previously forecasted, resulting in the tightest corn supply in 15 years. Now, this situation could really benefit Brazil. According to the president there, it's a win for all Brazilians. The country's in a privileged position as one of the world's largest producers of biofuel, particularly low-cost sugarcane ethanol. And over the last few years, the Brazilian ethanol industry has entered a new era in which major global energy companies like Royal Dutch Shell, BP, and France's Total are the key players, along with the domestic oil company there, Petrobras. These are large enterprises with technology, distribution, and capital resources to be long-term suppliers. And the Brazilian government has a role in this too. This week, Brazil's state-run bank announced increased investment for sugarcane ethanol production. The Brazilian Development Bank pledged up to $22 billion to finance development in the sugarcane sector through 2014. Now, some of you know that the Brazilian company Cosan, ticker symbol CZZ, recently formed a joint venture with Shell, and it could not have come at a better time. It allows Cosan to take advantage of Shell's resources to seize huge profit opportunities. So next time someone mentions how tough it is for U.S. ethanol producers, let them know about CZZ and the coming golden era of ethanol in Brazil. That's my take on it. Thanks for watching.